Hey, Ohio State instructors. I know it's a crazy time. I wanted to make another video just talking a little bit about how to get your lecture content out there in a new and exciting way. I know for many of you, you've never taught online before, and this requires a totally different mindset and way of approaching delivering your content. Right now, I'm recording on my iPhone, propped up on a microphone stand here in the Denny Audio Studio. And so tip one, don't let great get in the way of good of your content. Just capture it, get it out there. Your students are going to appreciate it. They're used to that kind of raw, uncut delivery. So that's tip one. Tip two, please don't think that teaching online is going to your lecture hall and live streaming your lecture. We really need to get away from capturing one long lecture like we're used to throughout the week, and really thinking, how can we take a little bit of that lecture content, breaking it up into smaller, maybe 10-minute segments or videos that we can capture on the fly, whether that's in your office over Zoom, whether that's with a small whiteboard, whether that's with a voiceover PowerPoint, within PowerPoint or Keynote. Those are great ways to deliver content in small chunks that your students can digest, and that you can be a little more comfortable producing these smaller videos over the course of the week rather than recording one giant lecture here and there. And so really just rethink the way you've delivered and have more of that social media mindset of smaller, more digestible pieces. Your students will appreciate it, and ultimately you're gonna feel much more comfortable recording these smaller chunked videos rather than one large lecture that you then have to process and save and upload and distribute and re-record and all that. So just save yourself the energy. Do not go to your lecture hall and just live stream your lecture. Your students are under a lot of stress right now. Many of them are moving or back across the country to get home, and their availability is now totally on a whirlwind. And so to expect them to be able to live stream in just isn't realistic. So those are the two quick things I had for you. One, don't let great get in the way of good. Two, don't live stream your lectures. Instead, record shorter little vignettes like this 3-minute video here to get you up and running. I know it's a lot of stress. I know you're overwhelmed. We're in this together. Again, if you need help, reach out to 8Help, and always keep checking the Key Teaching website for your latest, most up-to-date resources. Thank you again. See you soon.